Hello traders worldwide, welcome back again to MJ Crypto, and in this video I'm going to be talking about ByBit. ByBit is a world exchange globally recognized where you can trade your spots, your futures, any kind of derivatives that you want to trade. Okay, ByBit also has a copy trading platform, and that is what I'm going to be explaining and showing you right about now in this video on how you can make consistent profit by copying the trades of professional traders. Okay, now what is copy trading? The very first thing you want to ask, copy trading is a platform whereby you go on and copy the trades of professional traders, copying their leverage, copying their strategies, and making the same profit that they make. Now you can see over here we have various traders who are making 41%, some are making 100%, some are making 92, 142. This could be your own account, up to 302% profits. Okay, these profits could also reflect on your own portfolio. Now, the very first thing you need to do is to sign up with ByBit. That is the first step. The link is in the description of this video. Ensure you click the link in the description. Sign up with ByBit. Open a fresh account. You're going to be given some bonuses because I am a verified partner with ByBit. Now, the next thing you want to do, which is step 2, is to come over here on ByBit.com. Just click on Tools, and you're going to see Copy Trading. You see, the first there we have Tools Discovery. The second we have Copy Trading. The third we have Trading Bots. The fourth we have Leaderboard. The fifth we have MetaTrader 4. Now, the second is Copy Trading, and that is what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about that right about now. Right? Good. So, right here you can see different traders. We can see we have top master traders. We can see all master traders. And you can just come here and, copy what these guys are doing. Okay, look at the 7-day ROI. The 7-day ROI, which is 7 days return on investment a week. They've had, this person has had 12% in the past 7 days, which is not bad. And you can see the 7 days masters PNL, which is profit and loss, plus $2,000 profit. And you can see the 7 days followers profit and loss, plus 75,000. Look at it right here, plus $75,000. And this is what this trader is doing over time. All right, so now how do you do this? It's very simple. I'm going to walk you through step by step. Number one, we'll just come here, we'll go to top master traders. Go to top master traders, and then you just select the very best from the very best. Okay, I would like to go with there's a trader I like so much. I would like to go with this guy. We'll just go with this guy right here, Crypto Andrew 69. Okay, now if I want to copy this guy's trades, it's actually very simple. He has 58 followers. The AUM is about 1,900, and the max drawdown is 7%. Okay, profit sharing ratio is 10%. So he's going to take out just 10% of your profit. Okay, so basically that is just the way it works. So now funds to copy. You can see right here, I'm just going to type it. I'm going to put in $100. I'm going to put in 100 and then enter the copy stop loss. How many percentage? I can say, okay, I'm going to be risking just 10%. And then I click, I have read and agreed to everything, and I'll just click on confirm. Do you see it? Amazing. Automatically I've copied that trader. I've copied that trader just like that, as simple as that. Now, you can do this in various ways. The next step, which you can also do, you can do it in an advanced way. let's say I want to copy someone else now, and I want to do this. Let's say I want to copy this guy. I'll just click on copy, and you can see it says smart copy mode. I'll change this to advanced copy mode and click on confirm. I'll do the same thing which I did before. I can move it to more settings. Okay, I can move it to more settings, and after copying, after putting all the values, let's say I want to put 100, and I'm putting 10%. Click on more settings. When I click on more settings, under here I can now set my margin. Okay, the margin is $20 to $10,000 fixed margin. I can also select the leverage. I can select a fixed leverage or a custom leverage. That's for every coin that the person is trading. Or I can just simply say follow traders leverage, which I would advise you to do, but it also depends on what you want for yourself. All right, good. So you can say fixed leverage. You can put it as 12x or 10x. You can put custom leverage for all the coins that this person is trading. Do you see? If you want 15x, if you want 10x, you can just do that and you are good to go. Yeah, so you can see we already have different configuration settings for the copy trading, and of course we just talked about leverage, and now we're talking about the stop loss ratio. So you can adjust your stop loss per order. You can also adjust your take profit ratio per order, meaning if you want to take 20% of profit from every from every trade rather, you can come here and just adjust. And the maximum slippage per order as well, you can also do that. Now, so when you've actually done all of this, this is for the advanced settings. Okay, this is for the advanced settings. Okay, you can come here and just click on confirm, and you're actually good to go. Yeah, so basically this is how copy trading works. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. Just go there, select the trader you want to trade with, copy the trader's settings, or set your own standards. If it's 10% you want to be risking, put your stop loss to 10%. If your take profit wants to be 50%, put your stop loss to be 50%. It's that simple. And within the system there, you can also end your trades when you want to, or unfollow any trader that you feel is not meeting your expectations. You can do all of these things. Okay, so sign up with the link in the description of this video so that you can start copying traders immediately, I mean ASAP, and start making consistent profit, guys. This is the way to go on how to make consistent profit on ByBit. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment down below the section, smash the notification bell icon, and of course click on the follow and subscribe button so you don't miss out on juicy content like this. I remain your YouTube coach on crypto and every crypto related topic. This is MJ Crypto. Cheers, guys. One love.